Hi, I'm Jamie Borgman with the Shawnee Mission Board of Education. Our November theme for Read Across SMSD is Explore, Ancestry, and Identity. We'll be reading books all about characters who make connections with their ancestors and who are learning about who they are. One of the books, All Around Us, is about a child and her grandpa exploring their yard. Together, they tell stories and talk about circles and how the circle of life connects them to their ancestors and their own story. Today, I'm in the incredible biotechnology lab at the Center for Academic Achievement. They will be showing us how science and everyday life cannot be separated. Our DNA, also known as our genes, help tell the story of our ancestors and provide one way we can learn about who we are. Tochukwu, this is fascinating. What are you working on?
Oh, I'm extracting DNA from a strawberry. DNA like that is in every plant and animal cell, including humans like us.
Thank you. Anna, what does it look like if we zoom in?
One of the very first pictures that we got of DNA looks like circles, just like the circles from the book. As scientists found out more, we found that DNA is more complex than that. So if you look very, very closely at the shape of DNA, we can see that DNA has a double helix shape.
That is so cool. Randi, what can DNA tell us about who we are?
DNA can tell us a lot about ourselves. It can tell us where our ancestors were from, who we're related to, what we look like, and about our health.
Elaine, can it tell us everything?
It can tell us a lot, but DNA can't tell us everything. It can tell you what color eyes your grandma had, but it can't tell you what her favorite color was. One way to learn more is through stories and reading books like the ones we're reading this month.
Thanks so much to these incredible biotechnology students. I also want to give a big thank you to the Shawnee Mission Area Council PTA. They have provided November books for every school across the district. Let's read across SMSD.